Hello everybody, NCWQ here. The date is 1/7/2025 and the time is 2:52 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. About 6 hours and 47 minutes ago, there was a 7.1 earthquake in western Xinjiang, China. And we're going to go look at this on Google Earth. This was a big earthquake. First, we're going to look at some seismic data. So let's scroll back to this earthquake here and see if we can get some information on this earthquake. Make sure I can find the right one because there's been a lot of aftershock so far. Here we go. Okay, so we're going to pull up the green one here. And we can see some zeros and some fours. 5.6, 6.1, 4.3, 5.5, 5.9, 5.5, 4.0, 5.6. This is a lot of fours here. We see 6.7, 6.4, 5.8, 6.5, 6.9, 7.4, 6.5, 6.6, 7.3. We have some more sixes. 5, 4, 7.4, 7.4, 7.1, 7.0, 7.4. All the other ones that I'm looking at are lower than 7.4. We have 7.2, 7.0, 6.9, 6.7, 4.1, 5.6, 7.1, 7.0, 7.3, 7.2. And this is the data here, 7.1, 7.2, 6.8. Okay, so let's go and look at where this earthquake has occurred. So we'll get the information for the coordinates. And we'll get these into our Google Earth, and then I'll give you some information on this earthquake. So this earthquake was over here. As we can see, this is the Tsangpo suture. It's a convergent boundary. This is a continental convergent boundary here as well. And this is the Eurasian Indian convergent boundary, and this is where this earthquake was hitting. Whoops, if I can get this to close. So we can see this is the area here. We have the Dingmiko over here. And this is where the earthquake has hit. However, according to news, the 7.1 earthquake struck near one of Tibet's holiest cities on Tuesday. It killed 53 people, and that was reported by the Chinese state media. The earthquake, which was recorded just after 9 a.m., was centered at a depth of nearly 6 miles, according to the U.S. Geological Survey. The tremor, which Chinese authorities recorded as a magnitude 6.8, hit Dengri County in Shingazi, a mountainous region in western China that borders Nepal. Shingazi, which is about 240 miles from the Tibetan capital Lhasa, is the seat of the Panchen Lama, the second most important spiritual figure in the Tibetan Buddhism after the Dalai Lama. At least 53 people were killed according to Xinhua, China's state-run news agency, with 62 others injured. Many houses near the epicenter collapsed, and some people were trapped. About 6,900 people live in more than 24 villages within the 12 miles of the epicenter. That's been reported by the Chinese state broadcaster CCTV. Chinese authorities have dispatched nearly 1,500 fire and rescue personnel to the area. The full extent of the disaster is still being assessed. Tremors were also felt in the Nepalese capital Kathmandu, 250 miles away, where residents were awakened by the tremors. No damage was immediately reported there. Earthquakes are common in the Himalayan region, which spans a fault line between the Eurasian and Indian tectonic plates, which are the two plates that I had pointed out to you when I first scrolled in. I showed you the plates that this earthquake was between. In the past century, there have been at least 10 earthquakes at magnitude 6 or above within a 150-mile radius of Tuesday's epicenter, according to USGS. In 2008, almost 70,000 people were killed in a massive quake in the southwestern Chinese province of Sichuan. A 7.8 magnitude earthquake in 2015 killed at least 9,000 people in Nepal and damaged almost 1 million structures, making it one of the deadliest earthquakes in the country's history. Anyways, you guys shared that from NBC News, so I'm looking to see if there's any more news. BBC lists the scores have died. AP News says the same as 53 people have passed and 62 are injured. Anyways, you guys, this was a major earthquake, and hopefully we don't find that there is more people that have passed because of this. Anyways, as you can see, these are the two plates here, and this is where they collide. And I hope that you all are doing well at 2:59 a.m. in the morning. Please remember to tell someone you love them. Tomorrow is never promised. And as always, make each day of your life an adventure. Much love, and I will see you on the next video.